Hello and welcome all to my channel Omni Bioentrance. Today we will be discussing QuizAT CAT Biotechnology 2011 question paper. Coming to the first question, one of the following terms does not indicate the introduction of exogenous DNA into cell. Transformation, transfection, transfusion, transduction. Transformation, transfection and transduction are ways of introducing exogenous DNA into bacterial cell. But transfusion, even transformation can be used for animal and plant cells as well. But transfusion does not introduce any exogenous DNA into cell. As in the case of blood transfusion, it is the transfer of blood or blood products from one person, that is donor, into the bloodstream of another person, that is recipient. So answer is option C, transfusion. Then all of the following processes occur in the mitochondria except DNA synthesis, protein synthesis, fatty acid biosynthesis, beta oxidation of fatty acid. So DNA synthesis, protein synthesis and beta oxidation of fatty acid take place in mitochondria, but fatty acid biosynthesis it take place in the cytoplasm of the cell. Now EcoR1 is A, restriction endonuclease, exonuclease, gyrase, lipase. EcoR1 is a restriction endonuclease. PBr322 is a cosmid, plasmid, phagemid, pyramid. Cosmid is having cosite, plasmid that is PBr322 is a plasmid, phagemid having phage genes. So option is answer B, plasmid. Then early pregnancy detection kit tests detect the presence of which of the following hormones? Human chorionic gonadotropin, that's correct. Luteinizing hormone, follicle stimulating hormone, estrogen. Pregnancy test detect human chorionic gonadotropin. Then dendrogram is constructed by using this is a bioinformatics tool, that is PhilB. So that is used for constructing dendrogram. Then which of the following statement means that glucose and mannose are epimers? Now what are epimers? Epimers are compounds in which the isomers have different configurations of atom about one of the several asymmetrical carbon atoms present. In case of glucose and mannose, they differ from each other by configuration around the C2, that is carbon 2, that is over here, the C2, okay, and thus they are epimers. Here in case of glucose, the OH group is on the right hand side of C and H group is on the left hand side of carbon 2, whereas in case of mannose, it is just the opposite. That is, the H is on the right hand side and OH on the left hand side. So answer is they differ in configuration by about atom. Which of the following does not make direct use of proton motive force? Bacterial flagella, mitochondria, chloroplast, protozoan cilium. Cilia uses kinesin, which has ATPase activity that produces energy to perform the movement, whereas flagella are powered by proton motive force by the plasma membrane. So answer is option D, protozoan cilium. The next one, heat shock proteins are originally described as proteins formed under stress. Now they are also known that they act as molecular chaperones and help in protein folding. That is correct. Degrade ubiquitin tagged proteins are protein tyrosine kinases are GTPase activating proteins. No, heat shock proteins can also act as molecular chaperones and thereby help in folding of proteins. The largest immunoglobulin of 900 kDa belongs to IgA, IgD, IgE and IgG, but the answer is IgM and it is not given in the options. IgM is 900 kDa. Then termination codon, amber. Amber is, now what are the termination codons? UAA, UAG and UGA. Now UAG is called as amber, UAA is called as ochre, and UGA is called as opal. So the one which is called amber is UAG. Answer A. The protein sequence CRYWP is: C stands for cysteine, R stands for arginine, Y stands for tyrosine, W stands for tryptophan, and P stands for proline. So answer is option C, CYS, ARG, TYR, TRP, PRO. Then, at which of the following stages a cell is in foreign condition? Prophase, anaphase, interphase, metaphase. Answer is option C, interphase. During cytokinesis in plant cells, the cell plate is formed by the fusion of vesicles derived from which of the following? Option A, microtubules, B, Golgi complex, C, plasma membrane, and D, cell wall. Answer is option B, Golgi complex. Which of the following is most likely to be the mechanism for evolution of multi-gene family? Now, what is gene duplication? Multi-gene families are a group of genes from which the same organism that encode protein with similar sequences either over their full length or limited to a specific domain. That is called as multi-gene families. I made a mistake by telling it is gene duplication, but what I meant was multi-gene families. So they are groups of genes from the same organism that encode proteins with similar sequences either over their full length limited to a specific domain. Now, what is the mechanism for the evolution of multi-gene family? That is nothing but gene duplication. So answer is option B. Then next one. Which of the following exists as Swifter ion in aqueous solutions at neutral pH? That is nothing but amino acids. So valine is the correct answer. Answer is option B, valine. Next one. Which of the following is the site of histone mRNA synthesis? That is, answer is option A, euchromatin. Now, unlike most proteins which are made continuously throughout interphase, histones are synthesized or in the S phase of the cell cycle. Then euchromatin found in decondensed form during S phase and is required throughout the S phase, while heterochromatin exists in condensed form and replicates in the late S phase. So the site of histone mRNA synthesis is euchromatin. That is, answer is option A. Which of the following is present in prokaryotes? RNA polymerase 1, RNA polymerase 2, 3 and RNA polymerase. So they have asked which of the following is present in prokaryotes, that is RNA polymerase. Option D. RNA polymerase 1, 2 and 3 are found in eukaryotes. RNA polymerase 1 makes rRNA, RNA polymerase 2 mRNA and RNA polymerase 3 tRNA and the 5S RNA of ribosomes. Now prokaryotes, they utilize only one RNA polymerase for all the transcription of all the various types of RNAs, whereas eukaryotes have got 3, that is RNA polymerase 1, 2 and 3. Now anthrax is caused by Bacillus anthracis. So the answer is option B, bacteria. Enzymatic synthesis of deoxyribonucleic acid was shown for the first time by, answer is option A, Korenberg. DNA polymerase 1 was cleaved into large clinove and small subunit by which of the following proteolytic enzyme? The enzyme is subtilisin. Option D. Now next one. Transposons were first discovered in by Barbara McClintock in maize. That answer is option A, Zea mays. Calvin 3 cycle of carbon fixation was discovered in which of the following organism? It was discovered in Alga chlorella. So answer is option B. Scabies disease of sheep and goat is caused by prions. So answer is option C. The recent National Science Congress was held this was in the year 2011. So the recent one might be in 2011. So it was held in Chennai. So answer is option B. In sickle cell anemia, which of the following hemoglobin subunit is affected? So it is the beta subunit that is affected in sickle cell anemia. So answer is option B. Which of the following group of antibodies can cross the placenta? That is IgG can cross the placenta and reach the fetus. So answer is option IG. The first RNA product is nothing but humulin, human insulin. Now next one. Diphtheria toxin is an exotoxin produced by. It is produced by Corynebacterium species. So answer is option B. Now Bt cotton carries the gene from Bacillus thuringiensis. That is why Bt is nothing but short for Bacillus thuringiensis. It carries, so Bt cotton carries the gene from Bacillus thuringiensis. So answer is option B. Then next one. Immunoglobulins are made of. They are made of carbohydrate and proteins. So they are glycoproteins. So answer is option D, glycoproteins. The primary lymphoid organs are. The primary lymphoid organs are nothing but the thymus and the bone marrow. Answer is option D, thymus and bone marrow. Now next one. Antigen binding is due to. The antigen binding is due to antibody specificity. The amino acid sequence at the tip of the Y, because tip of the Y means the immunoglobulins are Y shaped, and at the tip of the Y they vary greatly among different antibodies. This variable region composed of 110 to 130 amino acid give the antibody its specificity for binding antigens. So antigen binding is due to antibody specificity. Next one. Enzyme alcohol dehydrogenase belong to the class. Alcohol dehydrogenase are a class of zinc enzymes which catalyze the oxidation of primary and secondary alcohols to their corresponding aldehyde or ketone using NAD+ or NADP+ as electron acceptor. So they belong to the class oxidoreductase. Answer is option A. The enzymes which do not obey Michaelis-Menten kinetics such as aspartate transcarbamylase are called. Allosteric enzymes do not obey Michaelis-Menten kinetics. So answer is option A. Allosteric enzymes have multiple active sites. These multiple active sites exhibit the property of cooperativity, where the binding of one active site affects the affinity of other active sites on the enzymes. Those enzymes which obey Michaelis-Menten kinetics do not follow allosteric principle or cooperative binding. So allosteric enzymes are examples which do not obey Michaelis-Menten kinetics. Now absines are catalytic antibodies. So answer is option C, that is antibodies. Now dry seeds can endure higher temperature than the soaked germinating seeds because. Now dry seeds in general are in a state of quiescence. The metabolic activity and consequently catalytic activity of enzyme is negligible. Hydration due to imbibition of water is the first stage of germination and initiates active metabolism in the seed. Only after hydration enzymes are fully active. Hence hydration makes them sensitive to changes in temperature, pH, chemicals, etc. like any other living entity. So answer is option A. Hydration makes the enzyme sensitive to temperature. Now next one. The monomeric unit of chitin is. Chitin is N-acetyl glucosamine. So answer is option D. The double bonds of all naturally occurring unsaturated fatty acids are in the cis or trans configuration. They are in cis configuration. Answer is option. Then yeast carries what type of plasmid? So they have given call E1 PBr322 YAC. YAC is yeast artificial chromosome, but it carries 2 micron molar plasmid. Answer is option C. Then oxidative conversion of many amino acids to their corresponding alpha keto acids occur in mammalian. So the oxidative conversion of amino acids to their corresponding keto acids, it takes place in the liver and kidney in mammals. So answer is option D. Next one. Which of the following is an epimer of glucose? I have already discussed what an epimer means, and the answer is galactose. So galactose and the previous answer was mannose. They both are epimers of glucose. Mannose differ at carbon 2, whereas galactose differ at carbon 4. The end product of glycolysis in skeletal muscles is, they undergo anaerobic respiration, so it is lactate. Answer is A. Insulin is given in the form of protamine, zinc, insulin, insulin in alcohol, insulin in water, insulin in tissue fluid. Answer is option A, protamine, zinc, insulin. DNA fingerprinting has proved useful in forensic science. It involves the use of VNTR, variable number of tandem repeats, and these are mini satellites. So answer is option A, mini satellites. Then the buffering capacity of a buffer will be maximum when its pH is. Maximum buffering capacity means maximum ability to resist a pH change. So it occurs very close to the pKa value. So answer is C. Then next one. The hormone ecdysone is present in. It is present in insects and annelids. Answer is option D. Now Darwin finches. Darwin finches are a variety of small birds found in Galapagos Island. So answer is option A. Next one. The oil-eating superbug is Pseudomonas. This was created by Ananda Chakravarti. So 49 answer is option A, Pseudomonas. Then the segment of DNA which participates in crossing over. So answer is option A, recon, that is unit of recombination. What is muton? The smallest element of genetic material capable of undergoing a distinct mutation. Cistron, a segment of DNA that contains all the information necessary for the production of a single polypeptide and includes both the structural sequences, that is coding sequences, and regulatory sequences like transcription start and stop signals. And what is a replicon? A segment of the eukaryotic genome that contains several genes and is replicated as a unit from a single origin. Then Ti plasmid. Ti plasmid occurs in which bacterium? That is Agrobacterium tumefaciens. And Agrobacterium rhizogenes will have Ri plasmid. Next one. Assimilatory power refers to. Assimilatory power of, that is during respiration, that is production of ATP and assimilatory power in case of photosynthesis. Okay, production of ATP and NADPH2. So answer is option B, production of ATP and NADPH2. The following technique is widely used in molecular taxonomy. So 16S rRNA sequencing is the one which is most widely used in molecular taxonomy. Then next one. S-adenosyl methionine donates its methyl group in the synthesis of. So it results in the synthesis of creatine, choline and melatonin. So answer is all of the above, option D. Next one. A protease which coagulates milk protein and has been used by cheese makers is. Answer option A, renin, amylase, catalase, none of the above. So a protease which coagulates milk protein is renin, and renin is used by cheesemakers as well. So answer is renin. Next one. Which of the following chromosomal rearrangements would you expect to have the least phenotypic effect on the organism? So answer is paracentric inversion. Now before coming to that, what is inversion? Inversion results when a segment of a chromosome is excised, inverted 180 degree and reintegrated into the chromosome. So you take a segment of the chromosome, you invert it 180 degrees Celsius and then again reintegrate back into the same chromosome. Two types of inversions are paracentric inversion, that is an inversion of a segment of the chromosome that does not involve the centromeric region, and pericentric inversion, that is an inversion of a segment of chromosome that involves the centromeric region. In general, inversions do not change the phenotype of the individual unless an excision site of the inversion is within the regulatory or structural region of the gene. Only then it will result in a change in the phenotype. That is, inversions will result in change in phenotype only if you excise a portion that is within the regulatory or structural region of the gene. Only then it will result in phenotypic changes. So answer is option A, paracentric inversion. Now next one. CAG repeats in Huntington's disease gene encodes. They encodes a polyglutamine repeat. So answer is option C, a polyglutamine repeat. Exon skipping is associated with. So exon skipping is a form of RNA splicing used to cause cells to skip over faulty or misaligned sections, that is exons, of genetic code, leading to a truncated but still functional protein despite the genetic mutation. So exon skipping is you skip exons. That is, it is a form of RNA splicing used to cause cells to skip over faulty or misaligned exons. So here in case of exon skipping, you will be skipping the faulty and misaligned exons of a genetic code leading to truncated but still functional protein. So they are asking that is associated with nonsense mutation. So answer is option A, nonsense mutation. Which of the following is not a tumor suppressor gene? Now APC, NF1, RET, RB1 are tumor suppressor gene. Here it is given as RBI. So RBI is not a tumor suppressor gene. Now next one. Which of the following is the cause of sickle cell anemia? Sickle cell anemia is caused by a single point mutation, a missense mutation in the beta hemoglobin gene that converts a GAG codon into GUG, which encodes the amino acid valine instead of glutamic acid. So it is a missense mutation. So answer is option D, a missense mutation coding region of the beta globin gene. Then most cell membranes are composed principally of proteins and lipids. Fluid theory of cell membranes. It is said there they are composed mainly of protein and lipids. Fluid mosaic model of cell membranes or plasma membranes. Okay, they are composed of proteins and lipids. So 62. Which structure is usually present only in animals? Answer is option D, that is centriole. Plant cells do not have centriole, whereas plant cells have vacuoles, nucleus and cell wall. Then during osmosis, the net flow of water molecules into or out of the cell depend upon the differences in the. So osmosis is the diffusion of the solvent through a semi-permeable membrane from a solution of higher concentration of solvent to a solution of lower concentration of solvent. It is passive transport and thus does require energy but depends on the concentration of water molecules, because water molecule is the solvent here. So concentration of water molecules inside and outside the cell. Answer is option A. Now next one. Sodium ions are pumped from region of lower concentration to a region of higher concentration in the nerve cells of humans. This process is an example of active transport, because active transport is a type of cellular transport that uses the energy of ATP to move substances against their concentration gradient from area of a lower concentration to an area of higher concentration. Diffusion cannot be correct because diffusion is spontaneous and follows the concentration gradient from high to low. Then passive transport does not require the input of energy and only follows the concentration gradient. Similarly, in case of osmosis, it is the movement of water, not sodium. So answer is option D, that is active transport. Now next one. Which substances are secreted at the endings of nerve cells? That is neurotransmitters like GABA and acetylcholine. Then 66. For active transport to occur, the following must be present. So you need a carrier protein, ATP and a cell membrane. So for active transport, that is the one which requires energy to move substances against their concentration gradient. So carrier proteins are those which facilitate diffusion of molecule across the cell membrane. They allow movement of molecules in and out of the cells against the concentration gradient. So active transport requires carrier proteins, also called as pumps. They need ATP energy because the transport is uphill against the concentration gradient. Now next one. Which of the following is a haploid? So answer is option A, ovum is haploid. Now, which of the following statement is true? DNA polymerase III is the main enzyme in eukaryotic transcription. DNA polymerase I is the main enzyme in eukaryotic transcription. DNA polymerase III is the main enzyme in prokaryotic replication. DNA polymerase I is the main enzyme in prokaryotic replication. Now, DNA polymerase I removes RNA primers by exonuclease activity and proofreads the DNA. DNA polymerase II is for DNA repair functions, and DNA polymerase III adds nucleotides from the 5' to 3' direction. That is for mainly involved in DNA synthesis. Eukaryotes have 3 DNA polymerases, that is alpha, beta and gamma. So DNA polymerase 1, 2 and 3 are from prokaryotes. So DNA polymerase III is the main enzyme in prokaryotic replication. So answer is option C. Now, if the eyepiece lens magnifies 10 times, what objective lens will give 400 times magnification? So the total magnification is given by the formula ocular magnification into objective magnification. We are given ocular magnification as 10 times and total magnification as 400. So objective magnification will be total magnification divided by ocular magnification, and you will get 40x as your answer. So answer is option C. Now, which two features are characteristics of red blood cells? Large nucleus, red color. Small nucleus, biconcave shape. No nucleus, biconcave shape. No nucleus, flat cell. Now red blood cells are non-nucleated. So option C, that is non-nucleated and biconcave shape. Then next one. Identify the non-degenerate amino acid among the following. Codon degeneracy means that genetic code is degenerate. It means that there is more than one codon that specifies a single amino acid. Degeneracy is not observed in tryptophan and methionine. They have only single codon to code for them. So answer is option C, tryptophan. How many genes does the human genome contain? It contains around 30,000 genes. So answer is option C. Now next one. Which one of the following is not a post-transcriptional modification? So in post-transcriptional processing, cutting out introns, splicing exons together, a methyl guanine cap is added to the 5' end and a poly A tail is added to the 3' end. So answer is option B, 3' end capping, which doesn't happen 3', it is poly A tailing. Now next one. Which of the following is associated with zinc finger domains? C2H2, that is cysteine 2 and histidine 2. Then who proposed codons? The Nierenberg, Holly and Corona. So answer is option D. Gene expression is analyzed by northern blot. Southern blot is for DNA analysis. Western blot for proteins. So the northern blot or RNA blot is a technique used in molecular biology research to study gene expression by detection of RNA or isolated mRNA in a sample. So the answer is option C, northern blot. Then Elizabeth Blackburn and co-workers were awarded Nobel Prize in 2009 for the discovery of telomerase. That is the enzyme which helps in the replication of the ends of the chromosomes during division. Then next one. Which of the following does not require a template? RNA replicase, RNA polymerase, reverse transcriptase, terminal transferase. Terminal deoxynucleotide transferase does not require a template for activity and catalyzes the incorporation of deoxynucleotides into the 3' OH termini of single or double-stranded DNA. So answer is option D, terminal transferase. Then next one. Which of the following phages contain single-stranded DNA? Answer is option A, M13. Then next one. What connects Tetrahymena thermophilia and Sidney Altman and Thomas Cech? That is, they are involved in the discovery of ribozyme, that is RNA having catalytic property. Then next one. The relationship between aeration and bubble size in a reactor is, as aeration increases, bubble size also increases. So answer is option A, aeration increases, bubble size increases. This is in fermenters. Next one. Which of the following choices represents a typical bioprocessing sequence? So answer is option A, that is stock culture, then to shake flask, then seed fermenter, then to fermenter, then purification of the product. So answer is option A. Then next one. Hybridoma cells are produced by fusion of immortal myeloma cells and B lymphocytes. Hybridoma cells are for the production of monoclonal antibodies. Next one. The size of the pores in HEPA, that is high efficiency particulate air filter, is around 0.3 micrometers m. Then next one. Which one of the following is a cryoprotectant? That is ethylene glycol. Option D. Then oligate anaerobes usually produce. They do not produce neither superoxide dismutase nor catalase. So answer is option D. Aerobic organisms produce superoxide dismutase and catalase. Obligate anaerobes lack these and therefore undergo lethal oxidations by various oxygen radicals when they are exposed to oxygen. So obligate anaerobes, they lack these enzymes. So they will produce neither superoxide dismutase or catalase. But aerobic organisms produce superoxide dismutase and catalase. Next one. The following diseases are caused by prions except Hansen's disease. All the others are caused by prions. Hansen disease is also called leprosy and it is caused by Mycobacterium leprae. Then next one. Which of the following has DNA as genetic material? Adenovirus, hepatitis A virus, influenza virus, rhinovirus. Adenovirus is having double-stranded DNA as the genetic material. So answer is option A. The chief proponent of endosymbiosis theory is endosymbiosis theory with regard to chloroplast and mitochondria. So the chief proponent was Lynn Margulis. Answer option C. The endosymbiotic theory states that some of the organelles in eukaryotic cells were once prokaryotic microbes. Mitochondria and chloroplast are the same size as prokaryotic cells and divide by binary fission. Not only that, mitochondria and chloroplast have their own DNA which is circular, not linear. So answer is option C. Then, which of these viruses is commonly linked to cervical cancer? Cervical cancer is caused by human papilloma virus. So answer is option D. Now next one. Which of these is considered as a biological control agent of insect pests? That is baculovirus. Then, which of the following is not correctly matched? Anabaena cycas, Azotobacter clover, Bradyrhizobium soyabean and Frankia casuarina. Anabaena is in colloid roots of cycads. Nostoc in the stem of Gunneria. Rhizobium and Bradyrhizobium are gram-negative nitrogen-fixing bacteria that occur either as free-living soil bacteria or in interaction with the roots of leguminous plants. So Bradyrhizobium soyabean is correct. Acetobacter is a non-symbiotic nitrogen-fixing bacteria. So it is not associated with clover. It is a non-symbiotic nitrogen-fixing bacteria. It doesn't have any symbiotic relationship with clover. Then Frankia is a gram-positive species of actinomycete filamentous bacterium that lives in symbiosis with casuarina plant. So the one which is not correctly matched is Acetobacter to clover. Then starch conversion means first starch has to be broken down into sugar. The sugar then has to be broken down into simple sugars to allow yeast to react with these sugars during the process called fermentation. So answer is option D. Unfermentable starch is converted into fermentable sugars. So that is starch conversion. Answer is D. The most rapid synthesis or most rapid method to resynthesize ATP during exercise is through phosphocreatinine breakdown. Answer is option B. Then fatty acids are transported into mitochondrion bound to. So a special transport mechanism is needed to carry long-chain acyl-CoA molecules across the inner mitochondrial membrane. Activated long-chain fatty acids are transported across the membrane by conjugating them with carnitine, a sweeter ionic alcohol. So answer is option D, that is carnitine. Then next one. Pairs of electrons carried in the form of FADH2 and NADH plus collectively contain enough energy to form how many molecules of ATP? So they have given various options telling how much ATP will be produced from FADH2 and NADH plus. So 3 ATP molecules are produced per NADH plus and 2 ATP molecules are produced per FADH2. So the answer is 3 plus 2, that is 5 ATP. Answer is option B. Which of the following nucleotide bases is not found in RNA? RNA doesn't have thymine. Instead of thymine, it is having uracil. So answer is option A. Codons are composed of triplet sequences of nucleotide bases in mRNA. So codons is triplet sequence of nucleotide bases in mRNA. So answer is option A. The next one. The transcription of DNA to messenger RNA occurs. Transcription takes place in the nucleus. It uses DNA as a template to make an RNA molecule. RNA then leaves the nucleus and goes to the ribosome in the cytoplasm where translation occurs. Translation reads the genetic code in mRNA and makes a protein. So answer is option C, that is in the nucleus. Wilson disease is caused by the deficiency of. Answer is option B, copper. Then next one. Which one of the following is not a method for immobilizing enzymes? Membrane confinement, absorption, entrapment, adsorption. Answer is option B, absorption. That is not a method of immobilizing. Then next. An analytical device which converts a biological response into an electrical signal is. Answer is option A, biosensor. Name the oligomer with enzyme-like activities. So they are isozymes. Answer is option C. Then which of the following reaction has been used in vinegar production? Enzymes oxidizing ethanol to acetic acid. So answer is option D. Then fermentation activity of microorganism was discovered by Louis Pasteur. A protease which coagulates milk protein and has been used by cheese makers is rennin. The following one is a popular biodiesel plant, that is Jatropha. So answer is option. DNA library is created from. Creation of a cDNA library begins with mRNA instead of DNA. So answer is option B, mRNA. In modern taxonomy, to solve a dispute among species, the following molecular tool is employed, that is DNA barcoding. So answer is option A. Which one of the following is a non-communicable disease? Out of these, all these are communicable diseases and diabetes is a non-communicable disease. Then many types of cancers can be permanently cured by. Human embryonic stem cell therapy can be used for permanently curing many types of cancers. Then Helicoverpa armigera is a pest on cotton. So answer is option A. Aerobic treatment of municipal wastewater is mainly carried out by trickling filter. Trickling filter are used to remove organic matter from wastewater. The trickling filter is an aerobic treatment system that utilizes microorganisms attached to a medium to remove the organic matter from wastewater. So answer is option A. Next one. The most possible primary consequence of greenhouse effect is temperature change. So answer is, that will be the primary consequence of greenhouse effect. So answer is option A, temperature change. The National Center for Collection and Maintenance of Microbial Cultures is situated at, that is IMTech, Chandigarh. Answer is option C. Next one. The commonly used drugs in AIDS patient is AZT, that is Sidovudine, sold under the brand name Retrovir, is a type of anti-HIV. that is antiretroviral drug called a nucleoside analog or nuke. AZT is used in combination with other anti-HIV drugs to treat but not cure HIV. So answer is option A. Then, next one. DNA footprinting is used to detect protein binding sites on DNA, such as RNA polymerase binding site on or DNA polymerase binding site on DNA. So, answer is option B, to detect protein binding sites on DNA. In PCR reaction, DNA denaturation temperature is usually at, answer is option A, 95 degrees. Most abundant polysaccharide on the earth is option A, cellulose. Now cloning was first carried out in, answer is option D, that is sheep. On July 5, 1996, Dolly the sheep, the first mammal to have been successfully cloned from an adult cell, is born at Roslin Institute in Scotland. The next one. How will you read the nucleotide sequence of the following? So the first band is over here, that is for C. So first nucleotide will be C. Then after that the next band is coming over here, that is under A. That's under A. So over here. So after C it is A, then it goes to T because that is the third band. So C, A, T, A, C, G, G. Answer is option C. Then next one. The Bhopal gas tragedy was due to methyl isocyanate. So answer is option B. The large subunit of Rubisco is coded by. The large subunit is coded by the chloroplast genome and the small subunit is coded by the nucleus. The next one. In delayed fruit ripening, the technique used was, that is antisense RNA against a particular gene which will cause delay in fruit ripening. So antisense RNA was. Then harvesting of sunlight energy is carried out by. Harvesting sunlight energy is carried out by chloroplast. Answer is option D. Then in animal cell culture and development, which of the following gas is predominantly used? That is carbon dioxide. The next one. Arabidopsis is most commonly used in molecular biology experiments because of small genome as well as short duration in the lifespan. So option A and C both are correct. I don't know what is the option given in the answer key. I don't have the answer key with me. So option A and C both are correct. Then the colorimetric principle is based on. Colorimetric principle is based on Beer-Lambert's law. Beer-Lambert's law states that the amount of light absorbed by a color solution is directly proportional to the concentration of the solution and the length of the path light through the solution. So, colorimetric principle is based on Beer-Lambert's law. Next one. Radioactivity can be measured by GM counter, Gauge-Muller counter. So, answer is A. Then next one. What is the light source of electron microscope? That is electron gun. Answer is option D. To study thousands of gene expression at a time, the following technology is employed? That is DNA microarrays. Answer is option A. Heat labile compounds are sterilized using. So they cannot be sterilized by normal sterilization, autoclaving procedures. So heat labile, they will get denatured upon heat treatment. So for such kind of compounds, we use filtration as a means of sterilization. Now SV40 is a what type of virus? It is an animal virus. Then which of the following gases causes global warming? The main gases responsible for the greenhouse effect include carbon dioxide, methane, nitrous oxide and water vapor, which all of which occur naturally, and fluorinated gases which are synthetic. So answer is option A, methane. The protein database is Swissport. It is not NDBJ, it is DDBJ. And NCBI, all these are nucleotide databases. Now next one. The bioinformatic code for alanine is F. Now next one. The following plant has insecticidal property. Azadirachta, that is neem. Then next one. Which is the precursor for biodegradable plastic? That is answer is PHB, option A. Then vinblastine is produced by Vinca rosea. Vinblastine and vincristine, they both are produced by Vinca rosea. Then acid rain is due to sulfur dioxide, SO2. Acid rain is caused by chemical reaction that begin when compounds like sulfur dioxide and nitrogen oxides are released into the air. These substances can rise very high into the atmosphere, where they mix and react with water, oxygen and other chemicals to form more acidic pollutants known as acid rain. Now next one. Waste management can be effectively carried out through vermicomposting. It is a low-cost eco-biotechnological process of waste management in which earthworms are used to cooperate with microorganisms in order to convert biodegradable waste into organic fertilizer. Thus, vermicompost not only results in management of solid waste but also produce excellent nutrient-enriched vermicompost. Now, which of the following code is for antibiotic resistance in bacteria? So that is coded by the plasmid, which is present in bacteria. So answer is option A. Now, one of the following is an autoimmune disease. Which is that one? That is rheumatoid arthritis is an autoimmune disease. Then vaccine production was first demonstrated by Edward Jenner. Vitamin C is a water-soluble vitamin. It's ascorbic acid. Now, Curdlan is a jellying agent. Option A. What is a nanometer? Nanometer is 1 by 1000 micrometers. So answer is option D. In drug development discovery, which of the following organism is used as model system? Caenorhabditis elegans. Answer is option C. So thank you. Please like, share and subscribe. Thank you for watching.